That's my dream car right there, man. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Alright guys, just to let you know, I spotted a clean RX-7 over here, and this has been one of my dream cars since I was a little kid. I used to have an RC car and I painted it. It was like gray and red, and this thing is just gorgeous, bro. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God, that is clean as hell. I wish I could buy this. One day I will have me an RX-7. Look at that beauty. Oh, and it's a right-hand drive. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Wow. Nice Camino. Bought it, and this isn't like, well, this is the perfect spot actually. So I'm a little camera shy at the beginning, you know, but I'll loosen up. It's all a matter of time before I start loosening up. Oh my God, what a beautiful day. I need to come here and get the sunrise. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Hello. No, I wish I was. How you doing, man?
Chilling, bro. Everything's good?
Good, man.
That's good, man. What you doing? Just riding up and down?
Yeah, I just got here. I'm actually trying to start a YouTube.
Oh, sweet, man.
So this is my first time actually recording.
Man, congratulations.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
All right, bro.
Big blessings.
All right, what's your name? What's the YouTube channel?
It's Earth to Joe.
Earth 2?
Earth to Joe, like Earth number 2 and then Joe.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out.
All right, cool, man.
All right, bro.
Have a blessed day, man. Okay, that was my first encounter. Very, very nice, humble guy. A little shy, you know, so I kind of like trip on my words. But we're gonna make it happen, guys. I'm gonna have lunch right here. Oh, look, this is a perfect spot. I'm gonna have lunch right here. Wow, there's literally like no high waves. It's just all beautiful right now. It's so perfect to go diving. Look how gorgeous it is. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful today. I didn't eat breakfast, but it's just kicking my ass. your left, guys. How you doing?